Hello there. Welcome to another unboxing video. Now this package, I have to take my X-Acto knife and rip it open because it's all just mostly tape. So anyway, this is awesome. This is awesome. I've been waiting for this for a while. This is get rid of that. Stereo VR glasses. See there? That is going to be the thumbnail. Okay. G300. Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside, shall we? Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with this. Okay, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Everybody loves bubble wrap. Oh crap! Something fell. Oh, what's this? Bluetooth remote controller. Okay, I dropped the controller. Hopefully it still works. Let's see here. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, so I guess your phone goes in here, that, and then you put this on. I'm gonna put it on. Haha. Probably have to take off my glasses. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, that needs to be adjusted and everything. Oh, there. Okay. Hey, buddy. Wow. Everything looks weird. Okay. So it's got the goggles and everything. Okay. I'll figure it out. I will figure this out. It's got a phone button. It's got volume controls. Oh, and these extend, right? So it fits your ears and everything. Okay. I'm determined to put this on my head. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit of a tight fit, but there we go. And then this adjusts your vision. I don't know, man. I can't see anything. I don't know where I'm looking. But yeah, I'm assuming that that's me. That's the camera there. This is weird. This is weird. Okay, honestly, I can't wait to try this out because this is gonna rock and roll and everything else in between. Oh look, you can plug this into your phone. Alright. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. And yes, I do have a recording thing on my phone. So I record the screen, which is what I'm going to do once I get this figured out and everything. And I might tack that onto the end of this. So yeah, this is the VR helmet. And then there's this screen thing that goes over the phone there, I guess. All right. Oh wow. Okay, it makes everything purple. Because it's see-through and it's purple. That's neat. Ooh. Okay. Anyway, enough of that. Oh wait. Wait. There's one more box. It's the controller that I dropped on the floor. The controller that I dropped on the floor. Okay, so it's just a little controller here. That, and then it's got buttons, which I will figure out. A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. It's got the power button and the @ symbol. You can send emails on this. Oh, battery compartment. So I got to get batteries for it. But yeah, I will play around with this and see what happens. This is going to be fun. What's this? Wait a minute. Screen protector accessories. Okay, so this has wipes. 1 and 2 wipes for cleaning the lenses and everything. So that's always good. And Super Base VR G300 3D VR glasses. So there you go. And then all of the instructions, which I will follow because I don't want to screw anything up. Open apps and put mobile on the VR set. Do not forget, insert earphone interface. Set the phone in side-by-side format. Right. Helmet wearing. Adjust the strap to find a comfortable feeling. No need to wear glasses, right? Because, yeah. Earphone location adjustment, right? Pupil distance adjustments. Huh. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. Okay, so you gotta connect the remote to your phone, not the helmet. So I guess the helmet just holds the phone, right? So, because there's no battery compartments or anything in the helmet itself. Okay. This is going to be fun. It's definitely going to be fun. So this button here, right? If you're on the VR helmet and you get a phone call, you can hit this button and you can actually answer the phone on this. I was reading that online when I ordered it. I thought that was pretty neat. But then again, nobody calls me, so whatever. Alright, well, I'm going to go and play around with this. And if I can get it working properly, I might attach a little video on the end of this, or it'll be on my vlog tomorrow. Either way, you'll see how it works.